Okay, now from here what are we going to do is from this shape we'll make this, and from here we are going to make these three shapes. Okay, so dimensions are given on your screen on this worksheet, but how I want I'll show you a way without the dimensions, then I show you another way with the dimensions, because I don't want to make things complex for you. So this time we go without the dimensions. Okay, so once we are here, let me actually go to AutoCAD. Okay, so you know how to come to this page. Now from here we will do the similar thing. We will go new drawing, and the drawing is we need it. Okay, so we're going to use mirror tool. Okay, and in the units place, imperial is fine. We click open. So today our job is to use the modify tools. Okay, so modify tools from here. So we are going to use three tools. First one is the mirror, second one is to move, and then we also use rotate. Okay, so we are going to use these tools, a mirror, and we are also going to use copy tool. Okay, so let's move on. The first thing when we are here, so what we usually do, we click on this button which says zoom extents. Okay, after clicking this button I am going to draw this figure which is here. Okay, this is our first step, to draw this image. So I will select the draw tool, then I select the line tool from here, and now you can click anywhere. So I told you we won't use dimensions, but okay, so this is our first line, and then I'm typing the dimensions manually, 15 from here, and then I'm going down any units as much as you can. Okay, so then from here I'm drawing this. Okay, and then enter. So we have similar shape to this, you see. From here I have this shape, we have a similar shape as this. Okay, now today our job is not to use the line tool, but to use this tool which says mirror. So to use the mirror tool, once you have your shape ready which you want to mirror, so the first step is we go to the mirror tool here, and then we go towards our shape and then click and drag. Okay, so you need to select your shape. So by clicking and dragging you can select your shape here. When you have select your shape, then to confirm it we hit the enter. Okay, enter, and then we have to give AutoCAD 2 points from where the AutoCAD will mirror the image. You see, when I'm moving up, you can see these boxes coming, this green boxes. Okay, so now here click, and then drag. Now you can see the other shape appearing, right? You can see the other shape appearing. Now click one more time, and to confirm hit enter one more time. Okay, now I will show you one more time how I did it. Actually, let me show you the whole thing, how I did the whole thing. So first we go to the draw, we select the line tool. Okay, you can click anywhere, you can select your line from anywhere, so no restrictions. Click, and then I will use this time 10 as the units length of the line, 10, and then you go up 10 again, type 10 again, hit enter, and you come a bit down here, click here and click here. Okay, then hit the enter to come out of the tool. So now you have a shape which is similar to this on your activity. Okay, forget the dimensions for now, or we'll do with the dimensions after this. So this is your basic shape. Okay, now to mirror it we go to modify, we select this tool which says mirror. So after selecting it you move towards your drawing, click and drag. Okay, to select, remember to select all of your shape. Okay, so it should be all. Now after selecting it, you hit the enter to confirm your selection. Enter. Okay, now after this what you do is you you select a point from where you want to do the mirroring. So you click here and then just move your mouse. Okay, just move your mouse and you'll be able to see a shape appearing. Now to make it identical or symmetrical, you have to come up here and click here. Okay, and after clicking here you hit the enter. Remember to come out of the tool, hit the enter. Done, mirroring is done. Now to create the whole star, which is which is here on your drawing, this one. So we mirror one more time, but this time we will mirror the whole thing. So to mirror the whole thing, what you do is you go select the mirror tool from here, come towards your shape, click and drag to select the whole drawing. After selecting the whole drawing, to confirm your selection, hit enter. Now after hitting the enter, choose your point where from you want to mirror. Okay, now I have chosen this, and now you can see a shape appearing. Click one more time here, then hit enter. Okay, to come out of the shape. Now this shape it looks like this, but we need to do some editing on this. We need to apply some more tools. Okay, now shape is ready. Now we don't need these from the insides. Okay, as you can see on the final image here, we don't have these inside, the plus which is inside. So to erase this, what we do, we go to this tool which says trim. Okay, so you select the trim tool, you click here one more time, click here one more time, click here one more time, click here one more time. Okay, now the whole shape is ready, or the one which is here. Now your shape is ready here. Okay, now the next step is what's the next step? Now the shape is ready, but we should get a shape like these, one with this, one with this, one with this. You see that they are identical, but they are a bit rotated. This one is rotated 30 degrees on the left, this one is rotated 30 degrees on the right. So now to make a copy of these, on any Word or any other software like PowerPoint, we do Command C, Control C and Control V, and we can make copies. But here the process is a bit different, so please pay attention. The way we do copy here is we go to modify and then we select this tool which says copy. Okay, so this is a tool with 3 circles. You select it, and then what we do is we do the same selection as we did for the mirror tool. So we click and we drag to select it. Okay, after selecting it, what we do, we hit the enter. Okay, after hitting enter, we select a point, we give it a point from where we want to copy. So you click here and now drag the mouse, and when you are done, click one more time. Okay, so until you press enter here, you can make many copies, as many as you want. Okay, now second copy, we hit here, then click again. If we want third copy, we can just move here, third copy, and click and then press enter. Since we want only 2 copies, so we click enter here. Okay, so now 3 copies are ready, right? 1, 2 and 3. I will show you one more time. Now after our shape is ready, so we need to copy it. So how we copy it? So we select the copy tool from here, and then we click and drag, okay, to select this shape. Now release your mouse. Now you see dotted lines appearing on the shape. That just means it is selected. So after this, what you do after selecting, just hit enter to confirm your selection. Then we need to give it a point from where we want to start copying. You can start from here, anywhere. Okay, I'm starting from here. Okay, now click here and drag. Now release your mouse button and click one more time to confirm. Okay, now you can, as I told you, while you are in this tool, you can make as many as copies as you want. To come out of the tool, you have to press enter. Okay, now click one more time and now enter. Okay, so this is how you do the copy. Now from your activity, the third thing is we need to rotate this goes 30-degree left and this goes 30-degree right. That's all we have to do. So here aim is just to know how to use the rotate tool. Now to use the rotate tool, what we do is we are still in the modify. We click this tool, which is kind of an arrow, a rounded arrow. Okay, so we click this tool here which says rotate, click, and then like any other tool, we do select it and then we give it a point. No, sorry, we hit the enter and then give it a point, and then you see you can rotate it as much as you can. Since we are rotating 30 degrees, now you can see on your screen there is a message, kind of a message appearing which says polar 12.9105 and then says angle is 15. So but our angle should be 30, so here it is 30 now, right? So release your button. That's all you have to do with the rotate tool. Now for this one, we rotate it on the right. So what we do, we select the rotate tool one more time and then we select it like this, and after selecting it, confirm by pressing enter, then choose your origin, and we are going it to rotate 30 degrees from here. Okay, like this. Just forget about the degrees, but it should be you should be able to use the tool. Okay, I'll show you one more time how to use the rotate tool. You go to modify, then you press the rotate, and then when you are done with the rotate, pressing the tool and just drag and select your shape. After selecting it, to confirm, hit enter. Now you have to select a point from where you want to rotate this shape. So click here and now you'll be able to rotate it. Okay, click one more time to get out of the tool. One more time. I think this is okay with all of this. You just try it, and in the next I'll give you 20 minutes to try it yourself. To come even if you want to do it with dimensions, you do dimensions are here. You do it with the dimensions. If you want to do with dimensions, okay, but after some time I will give you like 20 minutes to make that, and after 20 minutes I will show you how to do it with the dimensions properly. Okay, for now you can do with dimensions or not with dimensions, it's up to you. Okay, now go ahead. This is already available on the drive, and I will also make it available on the WhatsApp. Okay, go ahead.